This is your computer's motherboard. We're not going to uninstall it. When you get a motherboard, there'll be screws for you to place it inside of your case. This one has 4 screws. From here, you're going to start by installing your CPU. Then you're going to install the heatsink over the CPU. You're going to follow up with installing your RAM and any video or expansion cards you have. After that, you're going to install your power source, and you're going to connect any power cables, such as this, that go to your motherboard. After that, you're going to install any other devices, hard drives, USB drives, CD-ROM drives. They'll hook up on these SATA connectors. And then you'll want to add power to those from the power source. Once you're done with that, you have a fully functioning computer.